If you want to make super strong confidence about speaking English, you need to collect very easy to understandable long audio conversation or audio book, and you need to listen it more than 200 times. If you listen such type of audio, after 1 year you will get a strong confidence like steel. You will reach above the world. You can speak anybody around the globe. You would not get any type of fear. Second person, don't, no matter who sees, you can speak. You have strong confidence. So first you need to build it. After that you need to speak. Don't speak before you are ready. No need. First you ready. After that you need to speak. So you need to listen first. More and more conversation. After that, automatically you will get a strong confidence and your mind will be strong. You can communicate with anybody around the globe. Fear will be gone. So do it and try it. Don't take any grammatical book, don't take any grammatical rule. Just listen and listen like children, and don't think about convert your mother tongue to English and memorize any grammatical rule or stock of word, vocabulary, whatever. Don't care. Just listen. Very easy to understandable English. You will get a very strong confidence. All the time you will be the winner. All the time you will be the first person in the line. Okay? Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe my channel. Click on like button. Okay, bye.